How to change password on Pinterest account. Your Pinterest account is your creative playground where ideas come to life. To ensure it stays secure, changing your password regularly is key. Let's walk through the simple steps to keep your inspiration safe and sound. First of all, open Pinterest application on your device. Make sure you have logged into your account on your preferred device. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile page. Once you're on this profile feed, select the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. If you don't find the three dots, you can also tap on profile like icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings option here. You will reach on the settings page where you have to select account management option. On this page, you will see various options. Just tap on password and you need to add the current password. If you don't remember the password, you can tap on forget password link and easily recover from there. So let's enter our current password, then new password, and then confirm the new password from this section. Once you are done with all the credentials and changing your password, tap on the done button at the top right corner and then you will easily change password on Pinterest. So that's it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.